Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm Wendy, I live in Narberth and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And you see here, lovely lady made me this, and I'm on Facebook, I'm on YouTube, and I'm on Blogger. I'm also on Instagram and Pinterest, so I'm spreading myself out a little bit. Now I got a parcel today, that's what I was going to say, and unfortunately, that's what I was saying, wasn't it? This beautiful paper, and it was, if you spent £90 in the celebration, you would get that and that one. Celebration now, unfortunately, has come to an end. However, next time you see a celebration sign, please go and have a look, because it's well worth it. You know, you've got, I mean, okay, with this one, I spent £90, which, you know, it's not too difficult to do if you try hard enough. Alright then, so this was a celebration set, so I'm going to go through them, but what I thought was, it might be a good tip is, when you see something like this, you think, well, that doesn't really do it for me, for that. I bought the sweet strawberry stamp set as well, so I can recreate this paper, which will be very nice. But I'm not going to dwell on that because, the one thing I will tell you though is, if you're going to do that, if you're going to recreate DSP, look at the back of the DSP, and there it will give you all the colours that we used to do this DSP. So I've got the two stamps, and I've got the colours, so I should be able to do something, I hope, with them. Oops, I put them back there. I'm not just doing it for show you what I've got a tip for you as well. Now then, I've seen Esther Stampin' Star Creations and a few other people have been using this a lot. Try to stop the glare. It's simple succulents, something like that. But I thought, well, if she's used it a few times, then it might be worth me getting. Now, there's another little tip for you is, if you do see a Stampin' Up demonstrator use a stamp set more than once, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 times, that is the stamp set to get, because it's obviously you can do more with one set, with that set, than you maybe can with another. So I got the succulents. Not going to be able to say that word now, am I? And I don't very often do this, but I got the dies as well. And as you can see, you've got this big one here, big one there, that one, and then you've got the little pot, you've got little sentiments, you've got this. Now this is die on its own. There isn't a stamp to go with that one. No, with that one, so there are a couple of extras that you get. And you also got these then, which I call sentiments strips, that you can use. Here we go. You've been on my mind. So you can use these to put your sentiments. Now that won't go stick back in, you know. Why is it that things don't like going back where they came from? I don't know. Right, so there's that and that. Right. Get in. So that's going to be a play day for something today. Now, one thing I did want to show you was, sorry, there's a clear again. Oh, sit down. These are, what I've done is, I've ordered the Early Espresso Grey Granite, Smoky Slate, and blue navy, no, light navy even, because I was missing these from my my set, and I'm the sort of person that, if I start collecting something, then I've got to have it all the same size, same way, the same this, the same that, the same the other. So I knew when I started stamping up this is going to be the case. I've got over 150 stamp sets because they look nice on the shelf. Right, now then on the back of this, you get a little arrow. Doesn't say peel me, but if you peel it, and you can see this one, just pop that through. And right, so you've got the night of navy. Now I always put it the night of navy where the opening bit is, because that's how I like to have them on my stamps, but I find a lot of people do it. This is a bit tricky at first. It might not look it, but it is quite tricky to get it the right way round, and also straightish. And another one that, I mean, if you do French or Danish, I think it is, I'm not sure, that on Japanese, you can use those. But there's one here that hasn't got a label. That hasn't got a name on it. I'm just going to put that there for a minute. So, where do I put that, you might wonder to yourself. Ooh. Right, this piece goes on the inside here. And it does that so that when you've got the ink pad open, there we go. Oh, that'll do for now. No, I won't sort it out later. I'm going to do that now, haven't I? It'll take a bit of practice for you to get it done, put it on straight. But as you can see, I'm not very good at it at the moment. So there we are, that'll do now. Because then, when you look at that, that doesn't look like a blue, does it? No. So you know what colour you've got, because you've got that strip there to tell you that that's the colour it is. So it's easier than having to sort of tip it over and think, oh yeah, light navy. I think I'm going to have to get cleaned up now in a minute. So that is a good thing to remember. Put that there, then you know what colour you're using. Well, that's about it for me for today. Messy morning I've had. I'll probably be on later on. I've got a couple of little fidgets tutorials to do. So I shall see you all later. Bye.